Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. So guys, this video is regarding joy of computing using Python exam preparation MCQs. So these are collection of 9 past semester assignment MCQs. You will get that in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. With more than 5 years of experience in NPTEL, we have provided this. So here you are going to get 5 types of packs. So the first one is 125 MCQs collection. The price is 150 rupees. If you take 240 MCQs, that means approximately 240 MCQs, 2 semesters based questions. The price is 250 rupees. 360 MCQs, approximately 3 semester based questions, 360 rupees. So 600 MCQs approximately, that means 5 semesters questions, 500 rupees. So 1000 plus MCQs, all 9 semester combined questions from us. So 1000 plus MCQs, you can get it for just 800 rupees only. So guys, you can choose your price and pack based on your budget. So completely flexible with students, you can choose any pack you want. So if you increase number of MCQs, the relative price will be decreased. So validity will be till the exam results publishing day, so no need to worry about the validity guys. So take it now itself. Already many students have taken our pack, and even professors have also taken our pack guys, various subject packs. So take it now itself. So 125 MCQs 150, 240 MCQs 250, 360 MCQs just 360 only, and 600 MCQs approximately 500 only, and 1000 plus MCQs 800 rupees guys. So collection of 9 past semester questions. You can mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. So this is our mail ID if you are confirmed to make the purchase. So please let your friends and classmates also know about this pack. So please share this news within your WhatsApp unofficial groups. So I wish you all the best for your final exams guys. So do well. So keep supporting us like this. Goodbye.